So many tests, so many trials, so many roads, so many miles.
Okay, good morning. Dito tayo ngayon sa Barangay Maganda, Oplan, Balik Eskwela and Tree Planting. Dito sa Tarragona, Barangay Maganda. Palipad tayo ng drone mamaya.
It came from our hearts, and I'd like to thank, pasalamatan si Malu Narca, ang aming chief admin, and also all her staff who dedicated so much time in seeing to it that all these bags were bought at yung mga laman nito ay sila isa-isa nilang ang tawag yan, sinegregate at pinak nila para sa ating mga minamahal na estudyante. So palakpakan na.
Daghang kami kinahanglan sa Tarragona. And please bring with you the voice of every Tarragonian in the plenary of the Regional Development Council. Please bring with you our voice, the voice of Barangay Maganda. Unta mahimo ng sementado ang amoang kalsada dinhi, no? Ingon niya, I will try to lobby with the PRDP if that will be possible, and hopefully with our prayers, with our efforts, no, unta mahitabo na gyud nga
Namigay na bag. Ayan, no?
Wait for your turn. Next is grade 1. Okay, grade 1. Oh, children, do not go home yet. Wala sa'yo mag-ulit.
Hanggang dito na lang mga kamoto. May gaya pa ako. Bye-bye you.
Sakit sa